Hello and welcome back to Randomly Generated Conversations, the YouTube midweek exclusive. Today we're going to be doing some science experiments. They're supposedly easy enough that kids can do them, and we're going to see if they're easy enough that we can do them. Alright, so to start off, to see how you guys perform, I have a potato. Okay. Now, do you think this is an uncooked potato? This is raw, nice and hard. Can you pierce it with a straw? I'll give you guys each a straw. And one chance to try to pierce the potato with the straw. Caleb, you first. Okay, Bastion. Now with a jab. Can you jab it in? Okay. Now. Now that one didn't do as well as... Ah! See? I can't even do it. There you go.
Let me try.
Oh.
You see how just changing where your thumb is can make it so much easier to pierce a potato. I was having fun. This one I did test beforehand, and I was having a lot of fun just stabbing it in potatoes. You can drink the potato juice straight from the potato that way. You no longer have to cook it or blend it up. Okay, I didn't see if we could actually try it, Caleb. All right, now on to the next experiment. We'll get everything ready and be back. Okay, now we're back, and we have two jars, little dishes of water, and I want to make sure that I could get the exact amount where it's half in one and half in the other. So I'm going to show you guys something cool. Stick this in here, let the water go, cover one end, and put it over to the other. Adjust it so it goes up.
Hold on.
It's much easier than trying to measure one to the other, right? And trying to eye it.
It's really cool.
There, by the time it's done, it should have the exact same amount of water in one dish as the other. Does that look like the same amount?
Yep.
Or at least pretty close?
Yeah, looks like the same amount.
Alright, now on to the next one. Okay, for this next one, we have some water in these cups. They're about a third of the way full. You're going to take a tablespoon of baking soda in each cup, or maybe like a little less than a tablespoon of baking soda, and put it in with your water. Okay, that's probably pretty good. Now you too, Bastion. It's not vinegar yet, so it's not going to go crazy. Okay,
Well,
now two or three drops of the food coloring. Don't get it on the tablecloth. Okay, and then close it back up. Alright, now you're going to take turns stirring that completely up to where it's completely mixed. Okay, is that pretty good mixed? Okay, now let Caleb do it.
I think it's
He's
good.
probably got a tiny bit of red into his, but it's a nice blue color he has going on there.
It's mixed.
It's pretty good.
That's a nice blue.
That's a good looking blue. Okay.
Oh,
Now we're going to take this, I'll go set it off on the side. Okay. Now we're going to fill the rest of this with oil. As you know, water and oil don't mix very well. Okay, you can see how your color settles down the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you're going to take just a teaspoon of this, which is vinegar,
Uh-oh.
and toss it in. Just pour it in nicely. Let's see if it works. You could also do it with
Oh, it
with
looks like
seltzers
it's
or with the
raining.
Alka
It looks
Seltzers
like it's raining.
or antacid tablets. And so if you have, I might have to put a little bit more. If you have enough, it's supposed to create like a lava lamp type effect with the colors going through. Right now it just looks like it's just getting some of the bubbles.
Can I put more?
Yeah,
in?
you can put another one in yours, Caleb. And do you see how the bubbles went up and they go down? All right, let's try one more and then we can move on
More
to the
tablespoon?
one more teaspoon. Then we'll move on to the next one. Suppose you could do this one as well without putting the baking soda in it. You could just do it with the Alka-Seltzer tablets, which we might try that next time and see if that works any better. Because it doesn't look like it's going up as much. But that's still pretty cool.
Whoa.
Still has some color and everything in it.
Now you can drink it, Caleb.
No drinking
I
it.
know.
Alright, we're going to put these ones aside and we're going to come back with the next one. Okay, so now we have a few other things. I'm going to leave this one to you guys. It's usually done with a mason jar. I'm going to try it with this because I think it would be cool, but I don't know if this size will actually work with it. So, I'll put a little bit of dish soap in here. Just a squirt like that. Maybe one more squirt. We're going to put some dish soap in yours, which isn't floating like I thought it was supposed to, but. And a teaspoon of vinegar. Supposedly instead of dish soap, you could also use hand sanitizer.
Okay.
But again, we're just trying it with this. And then a little bit of glitter.
A little bit of the diabolical stuff that never gets out of anything. Like clothing,
Right?
tablecloths.
Yes. Well, that's why I'm trying not to get it on the tablecloth. Okay, so set this up out of the way. Alright, put that lid on tight. It has to be supposedly really tight. I'll give it an extra turn for good measure. Okay, and now you're supposed to be able to shake it up in a circle, and it creates a tornado in a bottle or in a jar. With with the glitter as
Can I
kind of the
try
debris.
Sure.
Hey, you see this one's still going. So yeah, this does work. Shake it up really a lot and let it go. See, there's quite the tornado going.
Mine looks like a hurricane.
It's more of a hurricane. Can I try with yours?
Ours is just foggy.
I know. Yours ended up more foggy than mine did.
It is a hurricane.
So maybe this bottle did work. right? So maybe this type of bottle, it really gives the all the way down.
Whoa.
Kind of a cool.
You heard
Well,
of
it's our
lightning
needle.
in a bottle. You heard fire. Wait, you haven't heard about fire in a bottle, but
Yeah.
fire in the bottle is the next thing.
Here's your storm in a bottle. You know, chuck it and oh wait, we're not playing Fortnite. All right. Anyway, these are supposedly some easy experiments to do at home. Wanted to try them here with the kids and see how they worked out. As we keep shaking this, we thank you guys for joining us today, and hopefully these work out better for you than they did for us. Thank you.
Thank you.